September 2, 2025. Sumakay kami ng ferry boat na MMDA. Libre lang to kapag free ride. Service ng MMDA. Mga hindi ko alam bakit libre. Ito siguro yung parang tulong ng gobyerno sa mga wala. Kailangan po. Ito lalangan na kami. Anong oras na ba yan? Anong oras na? May nagpo ano ako eh. Naka-video. Ngayon ang Guadalupe Pasig River Ferry Station. Matras kami tapos papunta na kami ng ano ng tulay ng Guadalupe LRT. Ayan, sa ilalim ng tulay. Ayan ang LRT ng Guadalupe. Kasama ko si Vicky. Ayan ang LRT oh. Madaan yung train na piloto ng ferry boat nasa kanan, kulay yung t-shirt. Yan ang pinaka-captain. Ang bilis din pala oh. Ano? Parang jeep din no? Hindi anong oras tayo makakarating doon sa Santa Cruz? Parang mabilis yun. Siguro 15 minutes lang ito na tayo. Ayan o. Medyo mabilis. Tumatakbo siguro ito ng mga 40 kilometers per hour. Barangay Daan. Kabila. Ano na yan? Mandaluyong. Dito naman sa kaliwa ay ang bilis oh. Oh, ang bilis. Ito yung ano mayroon dito nga tawiran. Hinto. Ayan o. Mukhang magsamin. Meron itong dadaanan, kosero. Wala. Diretso. Yung ano, yung tulay. Galing Mandaluyong. Papunta ng Makati. Yung tulay na yan. Yun yata yung Rockwell. Ayan o, tulay. Malinis yung ano, Pasig River. Dati kasi ang daming ano, water lily. Ngayon, siguro, nilinis nila. Walang masyadong dati, grabe yung water lily dito. Ngayon, maayos na yung Pasig River. Meron naman kahit parang pagbabago dito sa Pasig River. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang nag-maintain ng kaayusan, kalinisan dito. Maaaring MMDA nakakasakot. Paglilinis, Tapos ang nakakadaan dito, yung MDA ferry boat. Ito, pag-aari ito ng MDA, ito sa akin na to. Tapos yung nagmamaneho, swerdoan ng MDA. O yan o, dadaan kami rito. Parang stopover. May tuloy pa rin doon, no? Siguro sa Pebrero, Nobyembre. Hulo. Mandaluyong. Hulo. Ayan, ang galing, oh. Dumidikit na. Ay, parang ano lang. Wala namang pasero yata, eh. Meron. Ayun ang pasero sasakay. Foreigner. Ay, foreigner. Foreigner. Ayan, merong isang sasakay yata. Isa lang. Ayun, ang galing, oh. Hulo, meron. Yung taga... Yan, oh. May sasakay, dalawa, oh. Mag-asawa yata, yun. Ayun, may bumaba, meron mo sasakay. Tatlo, apat. Parang turista to, eh. Ang nangyari, turista, libre. Gusto lang mamasyal yung mga turista. Tignan mo paatras, biglang may kwenta. Paatras, biglang nagawa niya yung over. Ibang klase itong motor na ito. Ayan na, oh. Mahilig siya sa atras. Ayun ang another tulay, oh. Ayun yung building na yun, yun yung Makati City Hall building. Ayan. Itong tulay na to, ito siguro yung papuntang Makati Avenue. Itong tulay na yan, galing ng Mandaluyong. Yung mga sasakyan doon, tatawid dito, papuntang Makati Avenue. Ayun, Makati Avenue. Yung mga building doon, no? Makati Avenue.
Like for myself or in general as like a concept?
Ayun yung Makati City Hall.
Like do I think people can be fully under?
City Hall.
That's a other question. I guess first, like, do you believe that this is actually...
Ito, ang galing, oh. Pumilis na naman ang takbo.
Like the people who get married for life.
Galing, oh.
people that say, like,
Dito na kami sa Makati City Hall.
Yeah.
Siguro mga
I think you can have the right person.
6 minutes pa lang mula doon sa
Having
Guadalupe.
the same person
Dito
for
na
an
kagad
extended
kami.
period of time, like years and years and years. So like, I think it's damaging to yourself.
Hindi mo pwedeng tignan yung oras. Para meron tayong record.
Like people who get married for life, I don't think that's the most constructive thing. Like I can see
Maaaring umalis kami ng Guadalupe na 12:20.
but
Ngayon ay 12:25 na, eh. So 5 minutes pa lang
and in
nakakaroon.
that relationship, I can see why you would need polyamorous as well.
So sa kabila, Mandaluyong yan.
Actually, I met this couple who were raising children together, but were like polyamorous. And it kind of makes sense, right? It means you don't limit yourself to each other, but you can also still have a constructive like relationship.
Valenzuela, oh. Walang pasero. May tumatawag sa kanila kung may Valenzuela para window rito. Wala siguro tumawag. Kaya diretso ang takbo niya.
Yeah. No, I'm not saying. I think if you are polyamorous,
Turista yata sa
makes a lot more
Like, why not just stay how we want to play? What's good? This one is
Yeah. believe in the tax incentive behind it.
Madadaanan namin yung Santa Ana, tapos sa PUP, tapos sa Mikin. Dadaan tayo ng Malacanang, likod ng Malacanang Paras, likod. Dadaanan namin yung Pagdakan. Pagdakan ba yun? Santa Ana. Yung
You know anything
yung
like
depo.
when schools that have like children?
Nilipat na ba yung mga depo? Wala na. Yung depo, nilipat na. Yung mga malalaking tangke. Yung impaka ng langis, diesel. And forward court.
Then Morocco died, and somehow got pregnant, and Ghana died because they're not Canada anymore.
Ayun, mga depo. Matangke. Eh di, ano na to? Patakan. Patakan to. Ayun o, mga tangke o. Diba? Gas. Pandakan, no? Tapos Malacanang.
Like first married, and now they get like I think the child must be like
PUP.
Married. So you married as well.
Dis ko lang dito sa Mesa, PUP.
I think so.
Depo pa rin, no?
I have a friend that is actually younger than me. She got married and she's already divorced. And like, I guess she's 23 now.
Presko, oh. Ang sarap maginawa pala sa mga dito. Presko, no?
That's crazy, but she's also like very, I don't know, partner.
Natural yung air, hindi siya aircon. Saka wala tayo naamoy na, ayun, depo pa rin. Wala tayo naamoy na mabaho, no?
But it was like all these spaces, like, crazy.
Oo, ayun. Ayan, no, yung depo, no? Di pa pala nalilipat?
Papalit po ulit tayo.
Oo, ayun, no, depo. No? Nandiyan ba? Di pa pala nalilipat lahat, ano?
I don't know that Mary. I don't know that personally. I know that people told me that Christian.
Ito yung mga depo, oh.
So they got married in like 90.
Baka ng gasolina ba o ng fuel
Like,
na bago sa langis. Diesel.
no one that I like.
Ito yung mga birds. Ang laman itong mga birds na to,
Just a
kung di asukal, flour, o bigas. Oh, may tulay. Ito ba yung tulay ng Ayala? Saan yung Malacanang? Malacanang. Kasi Malacanang na ba tayo? May tulay dito. Oh. Ano ba itong tulay na to?
Yeah, like two people I went to primary school with are having children now, which is just so weird. Like, I think in London specifically, it's just really dumb because financially it's just so
Iglesia de Cristo
to the point
doon.
where you basically put yourself into politics.
Mag-stop over siya, no?
With your parents, basically.
Santa Ana,
Yeah, you just live your life so.
Santa Mesa,
I have a
Lambingan,
cousin also
Lambingan
married at,
Bridge,
like,
oh.
23.
Lambingan, di ba, Pasig yan? Lambingan, Pasig, Siya Boulevard.
Weird because he was like 24 when they met. Like,
Balik yan.
Dito tayo sakay sa escolta. Yan ang Lambingan, no? Di ba yung Lambingan sa yan? Lambingan, Mandaluyong,
Wait, so he got his first child when
Siya Boulevard, Lambingan. Ayan, patras na naman siya, oh. Mahilig siya patras. Ano
That's,
ka?
yeah, I find that weird. Yeah. They have children together now, or one, but
Ganun pala yun, parang sasakay. Patras. Baka tigo magandang daanan.
Stuff about like that in Austria a lot.
Nagdaanan.
So like small town, like people meet one person and then like because they know
Ayun yung
nothing
meron
else,
dong
something
ano,
like
tulay oh.
they're like this is
Malamang ito yung Vicky, yung papuntang SM ng Santa Mesa. Ang tawag doon? Bima pa. Yung tulay na yan.
From 8 to 15.
Ano yan? Ibigay yung ano ba yan? Yung ano yan? Papunta ng Santana.
Like he's one.
Ano ba tawag yan? Kalentong? Yan, kalentong to. Itong lambingan, kalentong.
Friend broke up like
Yun o. Tulay yan eh. Galing yan doon sa may Bima pa. Matros na naman.
and he's already got
Batra.
married and had a child.
no, that is someone else. That is someone else.
Ayun o, water lily. Grabe, water lily. Yun, buhay ng buhay, no?
So did you believe in like marriage when you were with him, marriage and children?
And I think
Bilis na naman, no?
one reason why I was like,
Grabe, oh.
let's work on it. Like, why would we
Yun, no?
like we're good friends? We're still friends to this day.
Grabe, baka 15 minutes lang biyahe natin. Andun na tayo, no? Umalis tayo 12:20. Darating tayo doon ng mga 12:40 kaya. Ano oras ba yan?
Very like work focused. I'm very like I want to live my life. I want to be free. I want to explore. And then
Umalis kami sa Guadalupe 12:20. Malamang 15 minutes lang to. 12:35 o 12:40 nasa
and you can only see a
Skota na tayo. No?
I don't think that is worth it.
Ang galing, ang bilis oh. Hindi ka pala iniisip ko mabagal. Kaya parang dati, balita na to libre. Kaya ayaw namin sa baka kasi iniisip, baka mabagal. Mali. Mabilis naman pala. Galing oh. Puno. May puno sa ilog. Ano? Galing ah. Ayun na may mga puno. Nakasawsaw na sa ilog. Ganda, no? Oh, ano naman tutulay na to?
Yeah,
I didn't really know that. I didn't know that this existed.
Tulay, oh.
yeah.
Baka ito na yung ano,
Yeah, I mean, how did you hear about it?
yung tawiran.
When we did like the walking tour,
Dilis ng train kaya yan.
it's like the thing when we got on this small boat and telling us that we can take
Sige, tulay, oh. Matawid yung mga tao. Tao lang. Matawid yung mga tao, ano? Kaya tumawid yung tao ng lakad lang, no? Maganda pala yung tulay na yan. Malaking bagay. Matawid ka ng ilog.
Yeah, I've been into
Pasig
one when I
River.
was like 17 for a year.
Kaya yung building na, ano kaya ang
One
building
for like 3 years at university. But yeah, we broke up like last year because like we were
Wala kaming tourist guide eh, kaya
like just long term, like long distance, different work, and like it was the same. Like we had kind of different.
dapat pala may tourist guide na kasakay dito eh.
And in the UK, that's really restrictive on what you can do.
Hindi ba tourist guide yung nasa likod
And it was
natin?
just like it was really difficult to
Yung nasa likod natin, tourist guide.
like see a life in the.
Ano kinikwento niya?
There was restrictions on it, and then also
Joke
like
lang.
I think there was like personality differences.
Joke lang.
Yeah. So it was just sort of, like when I moved to
Tulay,
Spain,
oh.
it was sort of like a.
Dito yung Skyway na ba yan? Skyway na, no? Eh di, ano na tayo, nasa SM Santa Mesa na tayo. SM Santa Mesa na.
Like it made us really bonded.
Ayun yung mga bus, oh.
Like and so like for me, she's always been more of a friend. Like even because we were 5 days ago, like
Skyway no, ibig sabihin,
the same thing. So to me, she was always just like a.
nasa ano na tayo sa may Lacson.
Dito ulit tayo sa bakay. Pagbalik.
Ito yung
I guess we just went the right
Skyway
way.
na galing Araneta,
But like as friends, we go.
San Juan. Ito na, no? Skyway.
Para makalimutan tayo pagkasahin.
I think the difficult thing with that is that the way we broke up meant that like we didn't
Papunta ng Bikutan.
each other anymore, which was just like I lost
Dadaan siya ng Osmeña Highway.
basically fucked me.
Ayan, no? Galing, ano?
Malayo
All
pa
the
na
same,
tayo.
went the same way. So it's just like yeah.
Ayan, no? Papunta siya ng...
I think she just got offended that because I moved to Barcelona and then we couldn't really see each other anymore. And then like I was supposed to come back to London and I was thinking of breaking up with her. But then she
Napasa mo sa akin.
and we were just like discussing our relationship and so I broke up with her on the phone. And I think she took that like she had a lot of offense for that. And then I went back to London like a week after and we discussed things. But like
Ayan,
I
no?
think by then it was just like she'd been emotionally loved so much and it was just like
May depo na naman dito. Depo, Biggie. May depo. Malamang
yeah, like
depo. Santa Mesa na to.
yeah, I mean,
Nagtahan.
we do like four cousins, we have the same friends,
Nagtahan.
or some of the same friends, but
Tapos ang sunod nito,
not in the same way.
Quiapo na siguro.
Like it's very like this stuff is like
Pero wala pa yung Malacanang, you know?
no, I
Hindi
don't,
pa tayo na, wala pa tayo sa Malacanang, di ba?
for so long or like so intensely. I don't think that it's like
Ito, ang dami dito ang ano, Gibara, oh.
it would feel, and especially I think if we started
Ito
dating,
yata yung nagkakarga ng mga
still have that friendship.
diesel,
I think it would feel very weird. Like,
food terminal, depo,
like I think if you have such a deep emotional connection with someone,
tapos tulay. Ito yung San Juan.
someone else who's trying to build
Biggie, San Juan.
connection, I feel like it's
San Juan. San Juan.
especially when you breathe in.
Ang sunod ng San Juan, Kalentong.
Disagree with that.
Like a very dependent situation. I don't think that it's like a it's like this or that. It's more like depending on the
Oh, kakaliwa tayo dyan. Kakaliwa tayo. Hindi pala diretso, kakaliwa. Ayun o, kakaliwa o. Oh. Galing ano, kumaliwa tayo.
Kaliba ulit tayo.
Ayan o, kumaliwa o. Ang malamang ito yung Kalentong.
Was that weird?
Di ba? Ito pala siguro yung Kalentong kung ganun. Yung tayong bahay sa gilid. Yung mga bahay sa gilid, Biggie, oh. Gilid ng ilog, ayun, mga bahay, oh. Ayun ang mga sinampay, oh. Ito, may tulay dito. Hindi ko malaman kung anong tulay ito, eh. Ayun, oh, tulay.
basically like that.
Hindi kaya ito yung tulay na, ano, Biggie? Galing ng Quirino. Ayun, oh. Sa ilalim tayo ng tulay. Oh. Oh.
I'm kind of sad that he didn't take
Tulay, oh. Ibig sabihin niya may tao dyan tumatawid. Ay, hindi. Walang tao. Parang nawasa siya. Nawasa. Hindi siya tulay.
now it's a bit weird.
Tubig. Ano yung tubig yun? Sa taas. Hindi man namang ano to. Yun nga, Kalentong. Ayun, magpatatabi, oh. Tatabi siya. Ayun, tatabi nga. Ayan, oh. May sasakay. Ayun. Ano to?
Yeah, I kind of get that. I think if I met like the
PUP, eskwelahan sa
like,
Manisa.
I don't think I'd be able to
Oh,
have
PUP, eskwelahan.
we don't really have like a
Pala yan, oh.
I do see how
May estudyante dito, PUP. Ay, mismo PUP talaga, oh. Eskwelahan, likod ng eskwelahan. Ang galing, ano? So, kung dito ka nag-aaral, tamang-tama, eskwelahan ng baksak mo. Ang galing, ano? Ano ba yung BB Abalos na yan, ha? Pangalan ng MB, motorboat. B. Abalos. Ano ba yung B? Benjamin Abalos. Kasi dati ang chairman Abalos. PUP na. Yung estudyante ng PUP, dito sila bababa. Kaya, galing, ano? Safe naman pala yung mga pasero pag bababa. Nakadikit talaga. Didikit talaga dun sa tatlo.
Sa susunod dito.
Bangka rin yung ano, yung dinikatan niya. Nakiraan ng ipasero. Ayan, naka-standby itong boat na to. Ferry boat. Ayan, may manibela. Oh. Ayun. Manibela. Dinikitan itong sinakyan namin. Ano din siya, ferry boat din. Walang pasahero. Ayun ang nakastamp. Ay, naghihintay pala na ano, pasahero. Lalakad na rin yan mamaya. May oras ang lakad. Ayun, may pasahero na sa loob. Oh. Papunta ng Guadalupe siguro yan. No? Kaya lang may oras kasi yan lakad. Kaya mamaya yan baka puno-puno na ng ko. Mamaya yan, ang alis siguro niya mga alas 2. Marami na. Pasahero. Kasi naghintay tayo na isang oras may kita, no? Sa Guadalupe. Malamang ganito rin dito. Isang oras kalahati pa nga, palagi ko eh. Paghihintay. Ang galing, oh. Nahila niya, oh. Kamay-kamay na siya. Pinigilan niya, oh. Kamay lang, oh. Ah, yun, may sasakay. May sasakay yan. May sasakay na police o navy. Ayan o, estudyante sasakay o. Pupunta ng Santa Cruz. Pupunta ng Quiapo. Pupunta muna sila ng Quiapo, mga masyal. Tapos dito rin sasakay pag-uwi. Galing ano? Yung ano, yung estudyante sasakay, ay may pulis. Ay pulis, pulis dog. May sumakay na ano, kay dog.
So yun na lang po ng mga bagay natin sa gitna na lang po, nilagay na lang po.
Ah, dadaanan na aso. Yung mga gamit namin lalagay sa gitna. Naamoy ng mga ng aso. Naamoy ng aso. Sniffing dog. Amoy niya. Mga pulis na ito. Sumakay. Inspection niya mga gamit. Galing ng aso, sumusunod oh. Sinusunod siya sa amo. Oh. Pag tinuro, tinuturo eh. Dito ika, dito. Amuyin mo ito, amuyin mo. Tinuturo, amuyin mo dito, dito ka, amuyin mo to. Sumusunod. Dito, 12. Sa kabilang side, 12 hanggang 15 ang kukuhan ng pasero. Ganon din siguro dito sa side namin, 15 din. So more or less, ang pasahero dito nasa 45.
Kaya siya nasisigi sa karoon.
At kilometer sa kilometer.
Sisigi sa karoon.
Oh, baby. Laki ng aso. Yun o. Poging-pogi yung aso eh.
I feel like they should have a warning for
Snake
that.
and look.
Yeah, right.
Coast Guard. West Guard pala. Yung pangbarko. Pangbarko sila. Pangbarko. Atras na, alis na yan. Atras.
Sir, paso yun ang sir.
Ha?
Bawal lang mag-video, sir.
Ah, bawal.